Nano Banana Pro just came out and it is incredible. Nano Banana was already a huge leap in AI image technology, but this is the next step and it is mind-blowing. In this video, I'm going to show you just how incredible it is with some of the amazing examples of what it can do. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can use it right now for free. So make sure you stick around to the end. This is going to be a lot of fun. So let's jump right in. So Nano Banana has finally arrived, came out today. We have just another huge jump in the world of AI images. And one of the biggest things it's able to do now is text on images. We had some pretty good ones before, but this is just incredible. So you can give it something like this, like an input image, and it will give you a full breakdown, not only understanding what the image is, but it's going to do it in this awesome way with this perfect text and everything, which is just so freaking cool. I'm going to show you some awesome examples of this as well. So it does these diagrams really well. I mean, if you're doing web graphic arts, if you're doing infographics, if you're even just doing print stuff for print media, I mean, this is a cheat code. Why hire a designer if you can get something this good from an AI model, right? You just type in what you want and it gives this for you, right? So this is an infographic example. And check this out. Check out this design, right? That could be used for a million different ways. Just so freaking cool. Another really cool example here from their blog, an input image here and a sort of like comic book strip, right? Again, with perfect text, right? Having that text look so good is a huge breakthrough. The word Berlin on an architecture on a city block, a bunch of different logo examples, product examples here. Again, with good text. I have to keep emphasizing that because AI models are not good at text. Even Nano Banana 1 was pretty good, not this good. I mean, this is really good. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Really cool stuff. So it's also capable of doing some other incredible things. So it actually was able to take an image and turn it into a 3D model, right? Look how cool this is. Insanely cool. So it actually created a 3D model from this meme here. Obviously, everyone's seen that meme. Really cool. Another thing it can do is, like from an architecture perspective, is you can give it a blueprint, right? A floor plan blueprint, and it's going to actually give you a 3D graphic of what this home looks like. If you're in architecture, this is going to save you a ton of time. I mean, this is a massive leap in what you can do with AI images, right? I mean, this is going to help a lot of different professions to save a lot of time and money and potentially lower costs for end users, right? I mean, we all want to see home prices come down. Maybe if architecture prices come down, homes can come down a little bit as well. This guy, OX Framer, I've featured him on the channel before. He's awesome. He does AI cartoons. And so he was able to create this cartoon here using Nano Banana Pro and Sora. So if you want to see a Sora video, by the way, drop a comment. I have been doing a bunch of stuff with Sora in the background. I just haven't had time to make a video. So if you want to see me do a whole breakdown on Sora, Sora Pro, and I mean Sora 2, obviously, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, I've found it to be incredible, especially for UGC stuff. So if you want to see that, drop a comment. But yeah, just incredible stuff that you can see here, you can do with Nano Banana. And again, the text, right? It's so good. It's so good. And if you're doing cartoons or you do anything, right, you really want good text, right? So, I mean, just a massive leap here. Another really cool thing it does is these annotated diagrams. So this guy fed it an image of, the man on the moon, and it broke it all down, right? US flag, nylon, 3x5, Buzz Aldrin, lunar module pilot, lunar module leg, eagle, astronaut footprints, lunar boot sole here. Just some super cool stuff, right? I thought this was pretty amazing. Just breaking down images into these annotated diagrams. And this is just people kind of scratching the surface, right? When a new model like this comes out, people try to find ways to use it. And when they found out that this text was so good, this annotated diagram thing really blew up on X. I've been seeing it everywhere. The other really cool thing is it recreates like old images. And what I'm noticing right now is that you can actually use it with celebrity images and they're not distorting them. So I think that's going to go away whenever a big image model comes out. They usually will allow it for a short period of time just to kind of get the buzz out and start getting things viral, and then they'll shut it down. Sora did it, ChatGPT did it, right? So it's happened in the past. So for now, I'm assuming it works for now. And again, I'm going to show you how to use it at the end of the video, but I wouldn't expect this to last forever. But we have this guy, the pain guy here at his office studio. I love that. Steve Jobs presenting the iPhone. How cool is this picture right here? Steve Jobs presenting the iPhone, January 9th, 2007, visible in the background. I mean, this is incredible. Did you ever think AI could produce an image like this? Insane. Britney Spears and her, Baby One More Time video shoot. That's pretty cool to see. Just really cool stuff. Of course, we have Gangnam Style. I forget his name, but he's doing cool things as well here. Einstein, the famous meme of the guy turning around to see the girl. Really cool stuff. Michael Jackson. So again, I do expect these to end up getting blurred out, but for now, have fun with it. Another example of a really cool infographic here, and look how detailed this one is. This is for a toaster, right? So the ultimate toast protocol. I need a flow chart for how do you toast bread, make it as wacky and over the top and complicated as possible. It accomplished the goal. And again, with great text, right? Really cool stuff. So another great follow here, Peter Sharano here on X, or Pietro, I should say, Sharano here on X. So what he's doing is he's uploading large PDFs, right? So it's like a large complex PDF, and it's turning it into a whiteboard image. I'm telling you right now, like, check this out. This is from a PDF. This is going to absolutely explode on social media. People are going to use these images all over TikTok, all over Instagram, all over X. I mean, it's going to absolutely explode on social media because this type of stuff does go viral. And I'm not just talking about using AI to do it. I'm talking about people not even knowing that these are AI images and they could just go viral on their own. So creating stuff like this, images like this, have incredible potential to go viral. And this is going to absolutely flood the internet. So all the AI slop people out there that hate AI images, get ready to see a lot more because this is coming and it's coming fast. And I think that, probably by the end of next year, you're not even going to know it's AI. I mean, I couldn't have told you that was AI last week. So the fact that this is AI right now, I mean, is pretty shocking. So incredibly cool stuff. He shows you another example here as well. Check this one out. So freaking cool. Incredible. Let's go through a few more examples here. So again, some celebrities. Again, I do expect this to go away, but pretty cool that it's working right now. They've also added it to Photoshop, which is pretty cool. So you can now actually use this directly in Photoshop. So you could put an image in here, change the image. I don't know why you'd want to pay for Photoshop if you could use this for free. Photoshop, I guess, does have some extra tools here like generative fill and things like that, which is pretty cool. But yeah, pretty incredible stuff here. And just the last one I wanted to show you here, they've actually integrated this directly into Google Slides. So they allow you to beautify your slides using Nano Banana. So it basically turns your slides way more compelling, right, into an infographic, which is exactly what they're saying here, using Nano Banana. So the days of, by the way, RIP, all these, PDF, all these, AI slide PowerPoint companies that have come out there. I mean, RIP, I mean, this is over, right? Once Google integrates this, which they already did, this is totally over. So they'll never come back from that, I don't think. I mean, maybe they'll have a nice run, who knows? But, once you can use this right now, and I'll put a link to this as well in the description so you can check this out. But it's just incredible stuff, right? You can just create a very generic slide and then have Nano Banana beautify it for you. Super cool stuff. So let's get to the good part. Let me show you how to use it. Incredibly easy. aistudio.google.com. I'll drop a link to this. Hit try Nano Banana Pro and boom, you are in. You do need to pay for this right now. Unfortunately, you will have to have a paid API key for this. If you want to see me make a full video on that, drop a comment, let me know. It's really as simple as setting up a payment account and coming over to your API keys section and creating an API key. It's really not that hard. Just set up your billing account, add billing information, and, basically come in, create an API key, link your key, right? So I'm just going to select one of my keys that I've created here. Boom, you're done. You can use it. It's really that simple. If you want to see more details on that, just let me know. So let me just try a random idea here. So a detailed start scene for an ad video for Coca-Cola Santa Edition. So let's see what it comes up with for us. By the way, super cool that you can actually select the aspect ratio now. This was a huge issue with Nano Banana 1. Was you could ask it for an aspect ratio, but a lot of times it wouldn't follow that. So I'm going to select 16:9, and let's run this right now. So, oh, and by the way, you can actually run it through Google Search now too. So you can actually use additional tools like Google Search to get more ideas for your image. It's so freaking cool how it uses Gemini 3 as well here. So it actually uses Gemini 3 to come up with ideas for you, and then it uses the AI model to actually generate them. So let's give this a few seconds and let's see what it comes up with. All right, well, that was pretty instant, and here we go. Check this out. And then I could take this, I could put this in VO3, and I could make an ad almost instantly here. So pretty incredible stuff. I'm working on an AI ad generator. If you want to have access to that, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on X, because I'm going to post it in both places, probably on X first. So follow me there if you want access to that. But essentially, I'm using Nano Banana and I'm using VO3 to generate ads. I'm also using Sora as well, and it works incredibly well. I've been using it a lot. It's super, super cool. I'm going to preview that in another video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you use Nano Banana. I'm so excited to use this. It just came out today, and my mind is, I've been so busy. I haven't had a chance to explore it too much, but I just wanted to bring this to you as quickly as possible. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what your thoughts are on where this is going and the future of AI images.